Hello everyone. My name is Konstantin Shirokov and I'm the founder of Yoki Finance. We are DCA automation protocol built on top of the decentralized exchange aggregators that will onboard millions of users into the crypto and reduce the risks. Fuck that shit, that's boring. We have heard all that boring speeches over and over again. We came here not for that. We came here to know who is better at making the world better. Okay, clap if you're a trader in crypto and you're trading on a daily basis. Okay, let's find out something more. Clap if you're a long-term investor in crypto. Have you seen this guy? He has not clapped. He is not a long-term investor. Okay, do we know the difference between traders and investors? The difference is that traders, they do understand only colors and only two colors, green and red. And investors, they at least can read. They read the reports. Okay, but let's find out something really serious. Please raise your left hand if you think in the coming decade blockchain will overcome traditional finance. Okay, I see your hands. Now, raise your hands if you think that following mass adoption will come the growth of the capitalization of the cryptocurrency. I'm with you. Have you seen the trader guy? He has raised his hand like this. Okay, the last question. Do you hate doing repetitive manual tasks that could be easily automated? Raise your both hands if you agree with me on that. Okay, great job. If a guy with a beard asks you to raise your hand, you'd better follow the command. So now, in all seriousness, Yoki Finance simplifies long-term investment in Web3, does it automatically and with self-custody. At this moment, I would just drop the mic. I just did it, but I will not, because I'm so excited to present you the team behind the protocol. We have a CTO who has built decentralized file storage and DNS for one of the major blockchains. We have a founder with 5 years of experience in C-level positions in crypto wallets, blockchains, startups, fuck-ups, all of that. And that's me, by the way. Really appreciate that. And last but not least, we have already 4,000 people in our waiting list, waiting for the launch of the best investment automation tool. So we are all set up. The only thing we need is an investment. So come talk to me after the show, Mr. Investor. It was Yoki Finance. Thank you for your attention and for watching my startup stand-up.
What a great pitch, and you still have time, but anyway.
Wait. That can't be done, right? Like, what's your strategy? Like, how are you getting these yields? Like, you just like showed one slide where it's like investment automation, right? But what are the details on that?
Yeah, we're doing dollar cost average strategy in the decentralized way.
Dollar cost
average strategy. So we are automating the buying process of the assets.
So if I invest into your platform, you're just gonna TWAP it for me?
Can you repeat, please?
If I invest into your platform, you're just gonna TWAP into a BTC?
You will be able to automate the process of purchasing of any currently ERC20 assets.
Oh, so it's a trader execution tool then?
Yes.
Oh, so I deposit into the app and okay, I think I'm getting a little bit more then. So basically the platform spreads out my capital and then based on daily, weekly or monthly
absolutely
like time period, it TWAPs into the assets that I want.
Yeah.
Okay, why don't I just do that on any other exchange?
The thing is, when you execute your investment strategy, there are certain problems associated with that. The first one is a psychological problem that when the market is down, you think, okay, this time I will skip the deal and I will not do that. And the second problem is that you just waste your time doing that repetitive task that could be automated. And we solve that problem because you specify the strategy and it's executed automatically. So you don't have to make the decision every time. And basically, the DCA strategy is a proven one, and we have Binance, Coinbase, and Bybit already integrated dollar cost average inside of their products. But we do not have currently the very good execution of that in decentralized space.
Got it. Okay. And what's the volume that you guys can handle on the dollar cost average then? Like, are you guys doing it? How does the model work? Is it randomized volume and time?
User specifies the amount.
No. Like, how does the back end? How does the buying behavior work? Because if I deposit, let's say, 1 million, and then I choose maybe weekly, I don't want my TWAP to get known by other bots, right? Where they can pick my buying behavior off from your app and basically front run me, right? Which happens a lot, right? So how does that work on the back end right now?
On the back end, we have a decentralized schedule. So we store the schedule of the particular user and execute it only at the time of the deal.
And just tell us a little bit about the team maybe and what the business is doing.
The business model.
Yeah.
The business model.
Basically, I think you have 2 minutes. Just pitch it again. But this time, cut out the questions and basically everything else you've done before and just do it again. But like on the product and on the go-to-market, on the monetization, and on the team.
Okay,
2
great.
minutes. Let's do it.
So we solve 3 main problems. The first one is psychological problem, as I have said, that users have to make the decision every time when they invest. But I don't have to prove that DCA is a great strategy because it's already used and already automated by big centralized exchanges. The solution is the completely decentralized protocol that could be used and integrated into other solutions. So we're building a protocol level separately from the product on top of that. And first of all, it's used in two cases. The first one is that any other product in the DeFi space can use our scheduling and use our automation and integrate that. And second one, in case the regulation come, we have the separate front end where we can, divide users based on their countries, etc., based on the regulations. And we have a protocol level that will be always executed because it's on blockchain and it is decentralized. The business model is quite simple. It's a transactional model. We collect the fees on top of all the transactions. We are also adding the support to fiat on ramp service, and we are adding a fee level on top of that. And at the end of the year, we'll add the support for yield optimization for the assets of the user.
Time's up.
Okay.